In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to transfer your WhatsApp chats and WhatsApp history and all the media from your old phone to your new Android phone. Now, these are both Android phones. It's going to be slightly different if you're transferring from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android. But for this particular for this particular video, it's Android to Android. Now, this is very simple. Now, this is the new phone. This is the old phone. Now, assuming you want to be using this phone moving forward, the first thing you want to do is transfer the SIM card from the old phone to the new phone. That will make the verification process easier. But if you intend to just move WhatsApp to this phone and continue using this phone, then you can just leave the SIM card in there. It's fine. So, on your old phone, go ahead and launch WhatsApp. First of all, make sure both phones are connected to the internet, the same Wi-Fi network preferably, and they're next to each other. So once you launch WhatsApp on the old phone, just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Under Settings, tap on Chats, and then under Chats, go to Transfer Chats. So tap on that, and then it's gonna give you this page, Transfer Chat History to Android phone. Okay, and you can now tap on Start. Now it's gonna ask you if you want to transfer via Wi-Fi. Just go ahead and tap on Continue. Allow WhatsApp to find, connect, and determine relative position of nearby devices. You need to allow that so that WhatsApp can find WhatsApp on this other phone. So currently it's preparing and it's given me instructions here. So what you need to do is go to your new Android phone and install WhatsApp. So go to the Google Play Store and search for and install WhatsApp. Mine needs an update, so I'll just go ahead and update it. Once WhatsApp is installed, just tap on Open, and let's go through the setup process of WhatsApp. So we're going to set it up using the same phone number that was on this WhatsApp account here. So tap on Next, and then agree and continue. I'm going to put in the phone number, and then tap on Next. So it says verified because the SIM card is in here. If the SIM card was not in here and I wanted to retain the SIM card on the old phone, then I will get a text message verification code, which I will use there to verify my identity. Now, since it's already discovered that there's a phone next here, it's going to ask me if I want to transfer chat history from old phone. And so that's what I want to do. So I'm just gonna go back here and tap on Start again. And then here, I'll tap on Yes, Continue, because that's what I want to do, and then tap on Continue again, and then I will tap on Allow, and there's going to be a QR code here. So I'm going to use this phone to scan this QR code. Now, sometimes the WhatsApp application will give you the QR code scanner, but in case it doesn't, then you can just go to the camera app and just scan the QR code. There you go. So I'm just gonna scan the QR code, and then now it says transfer chat history to Android phone. So I'll just tap on Start again. It's gonna tell me to stay on this screen. And then there's going to be an invitation to connect. So from the S24 Ultra, which is this one, I'll just tap on Accept. And then now, as you can see, this is transferring, this one is receiving. So once it's done, it's going to tell me complete setup on new phone. I'll just tap on Done, and it's going to log me out of my WhatsApp account and log me in here. And then here it says transfer complete. I can now tap on Next and continue setting up my profile. I can put in a profile picture. I can tap on Next. I can add email, or I can skip and do that later. And it's going to start initializing. And you can see all my chats are now here on this new phone. So that is basically how to transfer your WhatsApp chats from your old Android phone to your new Android phone. It's literally that simple. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.